You've heard of the saying, sink or swim. It describes a situation where you have to figure something out on your own, or you're going to suffer a horrible consequence. If you get thrown in the lake and you've never been swimming before, then it's sink or swim. I'm pretty sure that's how my brothers taught me to swim one afternoon at the lake when I was a kid. Sometimes being put in a sink or swim situation can be a good thing. It certainly will help to get you out of a rut that you might be stuck in. Being comfortable all the time can easily lead to complacency. This is the scenario for most people who want to make money online. They want it, but they don't need it. They start out trying to make money online to either replace their current job or make a little extra in addition to their job. However, the job is paying the bills, so the rent still gets paid and there's still food on the table. Figuring out this online business thing is certainly not a sink or swim scenario for them. If it takes a month or a year, or even if it never happens at all, they're still okay. One thing that I've learned in my decades of studying successful people is that they all see the attainment of their goals as an absolute necessity. Failure is not an option for them. I'm not recommending that you quit your job or give you the motivation to work harder in your business. What I'm trying to do is to make you aware of the problem of getting too complacent. When I started my online business, I was working 12 hours a day in my corporate job. However, I knew that was not my future. I knew that figuring out how to make money online so that I could have more freedom and take better care of my family was a necessity. I would do whatever it took. I worked all weekend on my business. I often came home from the office at 7 p.m. and then worked online until 2 or 3 a.m., got back up 3 hours later and did it all over again. I set up my desk in the living room so that I could at least be in the same room as my wife and kids in the evenings and on weekends. If you decide that making an online income is absolutely necessary to you, then you can do it. But if it's not one of the top three priorities in your life, then you should probably quit. You're just not going to do what's necessary to accomplish the goal if it's not one of your top three. Yes, I'm recommending that you quit your business unless you're going to give it what it needs. Every goal in your life requires focus, time, and attention to be successful. Working out once a month isn't going to turn you into Mr. Olympia. Working 2 hours a week on your business, especially when you're starting out, isn't going to give you a reliable online income. There's a lot to learn, and there's no such thing as passive income or get rich quick. Making money requires work. You have to keep doing the work, even when it seems like you're not getting results. That's the battle. Only if you consistently do that will you be successful, and you'll only consistently do it if you see the situation as sink or swim. Is that how you see your goal of earning a reliable online income? If so, then you probably have what it takes. This is not rocket science. I break things down to the most simple steps to get started in my new 1,000 sign up challenge. Reliable online income is only possible if you build an audience of people who know, like, and trust you. And I'm talking about your email list. It's simple to get started building an email list with the tools inside Scale Up Traffic and the new 1,000 sign up challenge. In the challenge, I'm going to show you exactly how to build an email list and get your first subscriber in 24 to 48 hours. To join the free challenge, just go to 1000signupchallenge.com. That's 1000signupchallenge.com. I look forward to seeing you in the challenge and helping you figure out how to earn a reliable online income with an email list of people who want to listen to what you have to say and want to buy the things that you have to sell.